channel, and today I will teach you how to make a party popper. So let's start. The things we require are a pair of scissors, a balloon of any color of your choice, an empty toilet paper roll, sellotape, some sparkles, confetti, and colored paper. So first you will start off by cutting the balloon from its neck. Like this. Now you will attach the balloon to the rope. You can also take adult help. And now we will take the sellotape and wrap it around the balloon like this. Now my favorite part, adding glitter and sparkles. So you can add a little bit or a lot. Now it's time for confetti. Now remember the colored paper I asked you for. We have to cut it in pieces and pop it into the party popper. Now, the most interesting part, pranking my Didi. Shush, don't tell her. We'll go in the park and